Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings available in Coimbatore location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Coming to the jobs, first one, there is a job opening available for math content developer for e-learning. It is for Bitwise Academy. Coming to the job description, experienced in creating math content for US curriculum, AP and honors, and strong knowledge of maths at an advanced college level, excellent communication skills with a good command of the English language, great collaboration and interpersonal skills, advanced knowledge of PowerPoint with the ability to build interactive presentations, basic knowledge of working with the learning management systems, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next, digital marketing specialist required for InnoValueWorks. And coming to the roles and responsibilities, establish the web presence to boost brand awareness, maintain a strong online company voice through social media, identify trends and insights, allocate marketing investments, plan and direct marketing campaigns, manage an organization's website and maintain it, keeping best practices in mind, optimize content for the website and social media platforms, work with various content formats such as blogs, videos, audio, podcasts, etc. Track the website traffic flow, implement and analyze performance metrics, measure and assess goals via ROI, devise experiments and conversion tests like that, and experience with SEO and SEM, strong written, verbal, and collaboration skills are required. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next, product marketer is required for Kowai.co. And coming to the responsibilities, product messaging and positioning, develop product messaging that differentiates Kowai.co products and services from others in the market, and enabling sales, communicate the value of new products and services to the sales and marketing team using various tools and collaterals, and market, customer and competitor analysis, perform market and customer segment research, analyze competitor products and develop strategies to position the product, demand generation, develop the strategy for and manage the marketing programs that drive awareness and organic demand, content development, conceptualize and create unique product and solution content for a variety of platforms, and evangelism, serve as a company spokesperson and go-to thought leader for Kowai.co, and product releases, involve in understanding the product roadmap, plan and lead go-to-market activities, and create strategies for feature discovery. And coming to the requirements, B2B software marketing, SaaS experience preferred, proven experience creating marketing plans encompassing strategy, customer research, competitive analysis, product requirements, messaging, pricing, etc. Experience initiating and driving a range of GTM programs including webinars, trade shows, social media, content marketing, etc. for global market. Excellent English presentation, written and verbal communication skills with an eye for quality and attention to detail, and ability to effectively lead, inspire and mentor direct and indirect reports. These are the requirements. And coming to the perks, collaborate and fun team, flat organizational structure, rewards and recognition, healthcare benefits, upskill allowance, located at the heart of the city with the world-class infrastructure, and aspirants with minimum 1 year of experience into product marketing are preferred. and these are the perks. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next, for the assistant manager, quality and process engineering in Avatar. Coming to the job summary, works independently under closer supervision, executes the continuous improvement strategy and approach by translating business objectives into actionable projects, engages with other departments to sustain, improve and streamline all processes with a primary focus on safety, quality, delivery and cost. As part of the business process improvement, team supervises change agents and team members on small project tasks. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next, a digital marketing specialist is required for InnoValueWorks. And coming to the skill sets required or experience, design, build, organize and oversee advertising or communication campaigns like social media, TV, etc., exhibitions and promotional events, conduct market research and analysis to evaluate trends, brand awareness and competition ventures, maintain relationships with media vendors and publishers to implement strategies across multiple channels, initiate and control surveys to access customer requirements and education, write copy for diverse marketing distributions like brochures, press releases, website materials like etc., and build, monitor and report progress of campaigns using various metrics and website analytics tools, collaborate with managers in preparing budgets and monitoring expenses. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available for state head in Tamil Nadu for Xiaomi India. Coming to the job description, it is responsible for driving Xiaomi business in the respective city or territory or area, build Xiaomi brand and drive sales via offline channels, build a strong relationship with the local distributors, retailers and local regulatory bodies, and drive sales in the city with local distributors and key retailers in the region or city or territory, develop a keen understanding of Xiaomi products and how they can fulfill the local consumer needs, execute local marketing and build brand strategies, and monitor local end-to-end operations to ensure maximum sales and efficiency, build relationships with local regulatory bodies and manage regulatory concerns if any, and should be fluent in Tamil. And these are the job description, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next, there is a job opening available for medical representative in MediTranscare. And coming to the job description, organizing appointments and meetings with assigned clinics and hospital-based doctors and healthcare staff, identifying and establishing new business, demonstrating or presenting products to healthcare staff including doctors, nurses and pharmacists, and meetings with both the business and scientific needs of healthcare professionals, maintaining detailed records, attending and organizing trade exhibitions, conferences and meetings, writing reports and other documents. This is the job description. Coming to the key skills, commercial awareness, sales skills, maturity, confidence, patience, strong interpersonal and communication skills, and organization skills are required. Coming to the qualifications, the candidates should be science graduate like BSc or B.Pharm, and these are the qualifications. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.